Good afternoon, sir. In this video, I will demonstrate how to scan for vulnerabilities using Burp Suite. I will show how to intercept requests for SQL injection, XSS attack, and identify and secure object reference. That's all. Then see you in the per activity. I will upload. That's all. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. I will be doing the midterm laboratory exam using Burp Suite, hands-on activity on thorough or create a system. While understand the Burp Suite functionality to identify and exploit common vulnerabilities such as like SQL injection, SQLi, or the cross-site scripting or XSS, brown authentication, and secure direct object reference or IDOR, enhanced security awareness. I will be doing the activity 1 or the intercept and modify request. Intercept the modify request, HTTP request. Then I will be open this open browser, intercept on open browser. Then alturo testfire.net. Then forward. Then inside we go and like we change the field on the field. Really, we will be changing that. I will be changing it to like we use a SQLi injection and use a SQLi injection. We can change that. Into like this, then forward again. Okay, then next we inside in the website that can intercept your website of hackers. They can see when they log in, they can see your credentials, savings, like information on you, like your data, others. Madami pang pwedeng makita if the website that you create or your account is have a of information of you. Okay, that's all. That the activity that intercept and modify requests. So unchange the username password. Then we will be signing off. Then try this again. Let's try again. Like in the search bar, they can intercept that too. Like they when you don't have type, they can also input in that like hey, they can put like that hey that and it will go hey. Okay, then they can interrupt your searching other thing like on other website like small business and your information others. That's